In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a header that's not working on different screens in Wix. If you've been struggling with this issue, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through the process step by step, ensuring that your website looks sharp and professional no matter the device or screen size. First, let's dive into the first step. You'll want to start by clicking on the text in your Wix editor. This is where your header text is typically located, and this action begins our process of making sure everything appears correctly on different screen sizes. By selecting the text, you gain access to various editing tools that Wix provides, allowing you to make precise adjustments. Once you've clicked on your text, the next thing you'll want to do is select Edit Text. This option is crucial because it allows you to modify the text settings to suit different displays. Adjusting font size, alignment, and other properties can make a big difference in how your header appears across various devices. Keep in mind that what looks perfect on a desktop might need some tweaks to shine on a smartphone or tablet. Now, if you find that no amount of editing solves the issue, it might be time to consider adding a new header altogether. To do this, click on Add Elements in the Wix editor. This feature is your portal to an array of design possibilities. It allows you to easily pull in new components that can enhance your site's visual appeal and functionality. Once you've accessed the Add Elements function, the task is to click on the header that you want. Wix provides a selection of predefined header styles, each with its flair and functionality. By choosing a new header, you have the chance to sidestep any issues that might be present with your current one. It's also a chance to refresh your site's look with a new design. And lastly, don't forget to delete the previous header. This step is often overlooked, but it's essential for maintaining a clean and organized site. A cluttered interface can confuse visitors and detract from their experience. By removing the old header, you eliminate redundancy and ensure that only your chosen design elements are visible to users. There you have it. A straightforward way to fix a header that's not displaying correctly on various screens using Wix. Remember, the key is to experiment and adjust until you find what works best for your specific website. With a bit of patience and creativity, your site will look great on any device. Thanks for watching and happy editing!